Video now. He can go way in front of us, so we don't read it.
Oh, we're flipping over.
I ain't worried about that. We're in a Jeep. I'm afraid he's gonna hold it. I'm afraid he's gonna his engine will get stuck.
Look at
That's what I'm afraid of. You see it? I see it. I'm afraid to hit the concrete wall. Hey, back here. He's gonna I'm telling you, he's doing that wall. It's gonna hit the. He came back in RV. He's gonna hit the wall. Stop! He said, wait.
I can't stop. I can't.
This is gonna be a classic YouTube here, buddy. I'm telling you, it's gonna be YouTube. Don't hit the wall! You gotta use your mirrors. You can't do it. You can't look around. You gotta use the mirrors. Pull forward. You're wrecking. Oh! Somebody! You okay?
Oh,
There
God.
he goes. He's got it now.
I can't remember how deep this side is.
I don't get where we're going. Let's go the one we made it on. We're going to follow him through. Wait, he's going to come forward again. Don't run into him.
Oh, God. I think this side's deep.
You ain't going to the middle one.
I got to.
I'll do that one. Turn your lights off so you don't get hit. I did.
Oh, shit.
You got yours off?
Yeah.
You don't want to blind him.
He can't see. He's not looking at us. He's looking behind him, though.
I wish I had my GoPro.
Oh.
I mean, we'd be on the internet right now talking to him. At least he don't have his car washed.
See, I
Ooh,
think
what was that?
The rock. I think it drops down right at the end, though.
Oh! I can hear the wrecker now. What are y'all thinking? You know it?
I'm telling you, I think it gets. I can't. Yeah, because I'm used to being in my Rhino. I can make it through all this stuff when we come.
I wish he turned his lights off so I get a better shot. Fog lights ain't underwater, you good. The fog lights go under, then you got little issues. He's still trying to figure out the mirror comfort. Yeah, I believe I've been watching mirrors. Not your rear view mirror. He's stuck. He's stuck. Can you push him?
I can't. I just
I
don't
don't
want
want to push it. Oh! 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 That's not me, Holly. That's his car. Oh!
He's stuck.
Oh! Come forward. You come back. There you go. Go back up. You got to come forward and you got to really come back hard. Harder! Oh! This is not RotoCop. You got it. A4, do it if I want it. Under the bench and to the woods. Off to the woods we go. Let's let him get all the way out. I think he's. Oh!
What did he do?
Oh, he almost got into the concrete wall. I can see this on the news now. Bridge goes collapses to Audi under the bridge. Oh, he's going down lower.
I thought this got deep.
Oh! Watch the winch! Watch the bridge! I ain't never seen nothing like it. Oh! Go forward first and then go back. How you doing? Okay. Be careful. He can't see on the other side of his head. Do you remember how it goes out? Tell him.
Nothing. A creek.
Don't flood him. This inside his car. I can't talk about that. Oh!
Come on up. Come on up. Come on up.
Come forward. All right, now you gotta cut it.
Now you gotta cut it.
Whoa! Cut your wheels.
Straight back.
There you go. Straight back. I didn't know he could hear us. Well, what you doing now?
I thought he had it.
Who's he talking to out there?
What'd he say?
Is he talking? Who's out there?
I don't know.
What is he? Don't hit the bridge.
He was fixing to pin himself where he can't move.
What's he doing? Is this part of his car floating? This part of his car floating right here. There's something floating right here. It looks like a brake pad.
It don't look like anything. You need to go that way. The ass end needs to go that way. I don't know what he's doing.
Whoa! He can't go that way. Other way, other way, other way.
Something is floating. Oh shit. He's trying to get stuck now.
Trying to. He's gonna hit that wall. He's hitting the wall with a wood steer with a tire. You gotta back up.